Connecting an Apple CarPlay-compatible iPhone to the display audio lets you enjoy many of the iPhone's functions through the vehicle's touchscreen without having to touch the iPhone. And select models let you make the connection wirelessly. Here's how it's done. With the vehicle parked, touch the home icon on the display audio. Select Smartphone Connection. Touch Connect New Device. Follow the directions to pair your phone. When you first use Apple CarPlay, a consent screen will appear before enabling. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, touch Yes on the display audio. An Apple CarPlay icon will now appear. Touch the icon to use CarPlay. The easiest way to use the apps on the iPhone is through Siri. To engage Siri, press and hold the talk button on the steering wheel until the system responds. Siri will now remain engaged until you press the talk button again. You can now ask Siri to make phone calls, read text messages and respond to them, get directions via Apple Maps, and play songs stored on the iPhone. Touch the Honda icon to return to the display audio home screen. Note that models with the built-in navigation system can't use that system at the same time Apple Maps is engaged. In addition, in vehicles equipped with the Wi-Fi hotspot capability, the iPhone will have to be connected to the vehicle by cable to the USB smartphone audio interface in order to use Apple CarPlay and the hotspot at the same time. Just be sure to make the connection before turning the ignition on.